Welcome to Retailr. In this video, we'll set up queue management step by step. Open your browser and navigate to the Retailr dashboard login page. First, enter your full name. Next, enter your email address. Enter your contact number. Now, enter your company name. Create your password. Complete the "I'm not a robot" verification. Once all the required details are entered, click Sign Up to create your Retailr account. After signing up, select Queue Management from the available solutions. Queue Management is designed to show live wait times and FIFO-ready videos in your waiting area. Select Queue Management and click Continue Setup to proceed. You are now on the Queue Management Setup dashboard. Under Queue Management Setup, start by connecting a display. Click Connect to add a new display. The Add Display window opens with the Pairing Code step. Install and open the Retailr Display app on your TV or display device. Enter the 6-character pairing code shown on your display. Then, click Continue. Next, enter a name for your display. Add the display location if required. You can also add tags to make the display easier to identify and manage. Click Continue to select the display layout. Choose the layout you want to use on your screen. For this setup, select Full Screen. Finally, click Finish Setup. Your display is now connected and ready for queue management. Next, create your first counter. Click Create to add a counter. Enter the counter name. Select the display where this counter should appear. Next, choose the queue flow. Select Simple Queue, also known as FIFO, to automatically serve tokens in the order they are received. Once the counter details are complete, click Create Counter. Your counter has now been created successfully. The counter management screen shows the current serving token, the next token to be called, and the waiting tokens. To add a walk-in customer, click Add Token. Enter the customer's name. Next, enter the customer's phone number. Click Generate Token to add the customer to the queue. The customer is now added to the waiting queue with a queue token. To add another customer, click Add Token again. Enter the customer's name and phone number. Then click Generate Token. The second customer is now added to the waiting queue. The waiting section now displays the customers currently in the queue. When you're ready to serve the next customer, click Serve Next Token. The next customer is moved from the waiting queue to current serving. A confirmation message shows that the token is now being served. Next, let's add an operator to manage the counter. Open the Operator section and click Add Operator. Enter the operator's full name. Enter the operator's email address. Select the counter you want to assign to this operator. Now, create a password for the operator. Confirm the password. Click Create Operator to complete the setup. The operator is now added and assigned to the selected counter. From the Counter section, you can view the counter status, the number of waiting customers, and the assigned operator. You can also open the QR code for the counter. This QR code can be used by customers to join the queue. Now, open the Display section to manage what appears on the connected screen. Select the connected display. Here, you can see the counter currently assigned to Screen 1. Open the counter details to configure its display settings. Enter or confirm the counter name. Select the required theme for the counter display. Once the display settings are ready, click Update App. The display is now updated with the selected counter and queue information. Next, click Publish Content Successfully Published. Then click OK. The queue is now live on the display screen, clearly showing the current token and the upcoming queue numbers for customers. Your Retailr Queue Management setup is complete.